Hi there, my name's Ed and I want to ask you a question. Have you actually bought some crypto, or maybe you've heard of this big crypto boom that people are talking about? Well, if you have and haven't taken real action, other than maybe buying a little bit, the reason is nearly always is because you don't have enough confidence. You actually don't have the basics that you need about this marketplace. You don't really understand what crypto is. You don't know which assets to get. You don't know how to buy. You don't know how to sell. You don't know how to store. All of these things are super simple, and we have created a workshop that is only 2 hours long that you can go through, and at the end of that workshop you are going to have confidence to take advantage of what everyone's saying is going to be the biggest boom. It's about to hit. Literally, the sort of the wealth that you can make in this marketplace over the next couple of years will outstrip anything else in the marketplace, and all you need to do is to get those basics. So make sure we see you on Saturday at the Pullman. Get a ticket. It's not very expensive, but the impact on you is going to be fantastic. Your confidence in this market is going to be superb. So I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.